Okay, so right here is our island. And now we can go ahead, open our main terrain. We'll go to add ecosystem population to this. So let's go first, we'll create new layer and we'll switch this layer to ecosystem particle. Let's name it as forest. And we'll go to add plants. As a plants, we can go open banana plant. We'll go to add maybe some other ones. So overall idea is to add mix different plants that can maybe grow around this area. And it's again based on what you actually have in your collection as well. So we'll add more plants. And let's go see what we have here. We'll go to add, oops, I think. Let's go ahead, open this one. We'll use it, reduce quality. We don't need high quality for this. Okay, as well, we'll increase some presence on element. Okay, we'll reduce scale for the bushes. Kind of make, we'll increase that one. Let's just click and populate and see. So right here you can see how many we have plants, but they don't necessarily look very good at this point, so we want to control of them. So let's go ahead overall in okay, right here, density. We'll increase a little bit density on them. As well, we take scale and let's take scale down. Okay. Next, I want to increase shrink at low density, so it will have it a little bit more natural. And important actual things, I want to fall out and enable clumping slightly. So they kind of start packs almost creating. So we'll create all this random kind of look for us. Okay, let's go look right here. This I want to enable lean out of low density a little bit more, so they kind of going on the side. And the presence, what we wanted, it is relative to the sea. We'll bring up. Remember again, we're going to enable our highlighter. So we kind of can preview, see where's the population will happen. And you know what, let's bring a little bit down to our ground right here. We'll take from the top. All this will add fuzziness, so we don't want it. And on a slope, I actually want go right around here. So about 70, maybe about 50% on a slope. Okay, let's disable. We'll click, actually, you know what, let's preview one more time. So where we place it, and you can see we have a plant right there. It's about right place. Okay, so let's go disable that. We'll click populate, and we have right now 2000 population. It's not that many, but it does create a nice element right here. Maybe we're missing a little bit. You know what, let's go to increase that angle, pop up density a little bit more, and take scaling down, populate. Okay, that's look a little bit better. We'll go click OK at this point. And so I think the population is about right. We can go click render, preview what we have. We have some highlights, which is okay, they won't use, but I think it's about look right. I'm not sure if I'm a big fan about these mountains on the top, but we'll go and put a cloud around there, so we'll see how it will come up. Okay, next we're ready to put our water, and we'll just go click, select, add new layer of the water, and we'll go increase slightly up till our island right there kind of start reappearing. Now when we create the water, we can open, and let's go to default water, transparency. Okay, we have it quality boost better. Okay, that is a tip. We'll go to reduce depth a little bit, it will create a little bit more colored for us. Maybe even more. Okay, I think this will look about right, except the color on the blue, I want to get a little bit more greenish look, not too much blue. Ocean. Okay, yeah, that's color look better. Okay, we'll go ahead. Let's click OK on this one. Okay, well, let's preview. So we'll see how's our water coming. We have a little bit islands right there, small. We have it water coming. Again, how to say, I'm not like necessarily this top one. So let's go to this terrain and we'll see what we can do. We can go edit our object. And right here, this top one, yeah, we can go paint, invert, and we can just actually create almost volcanic look by decreasing. You know, let's right here in the middle, cut in. So it's almost look like volcanic. Cave. Okay. Right there. Let's go click OK. Yeah, that one look a little bit more interesting, I think. Let's review. So yeah, something right there. Actually, I know what is snow does not fit very good. So we'll go to material. Go to edit our material, and with the snow, let's go just to reverse to ash. That's what I don't like it. I don't like it. So it's looking as a snow. We'll go there, and we'll switch this a little bit more to kind of darker ash looking, and we also take this and reduce a little bit on alpha boost, so just slightly ashy. So yeah, I think that one will look a little bit better. Okay, on a forest, let's go ahead, click populate again, because we changed a little bit shape. We want to repopulate. Okay, click OK. So right here's our mountain. And you know what, let's bring plant a little bit closer, a little bit down right here. So it was 4 meters, so we'll just go and put it 4 meters flat. Click populate. It should bring them right around there, a bit closer. Yep, let's look better. Okay, and as well right here, I'll just bring a little bit up as well, so they're almost climbing. Okay, as elements, we'll go to add plant. Let's go inside the bushes. And in the bush, we'll see crawling bushes. Yeah, let's go actually add canter to this. And we'll pop up this a little bit more. Populate, it will add a bit more variations on that. Okay, so we'll go ahead, click OK, let's go preview. Yeah, I think this look more interesting, much better. Okay, these islands, they look okay, a little bit too sandy, but I want a little bit more coral, so we'll need to remove some sand from there. So on our islands that we have, let's open them. And actually some stuff we don't need it, so we don't need it. Snow. red grass, so we'll just need it sand a little bit, but with the sand actually we need to modify. So in the presence, let's actually reduce alpha on this, so they will become much darker black. So I think that way. And also we'll just remove and put them on a flat areas, sand a little bit more. Okay, let's go click OK. And previous, so we should have it like black elements, but at the same time keep it sand on those flat areas. Yeah, there will be a nicer blend in there. Okay, I think we're good here, and we'll just go and select work a little bit more on atmospheres.